When I think of a magical celebration, the atmosphere is really upbeat and happy.
You feel good inside.
Lots of music and fun.
Lights everywhere.
Sparkles, glitter.
I think of the Magic Kingdom castle.
When I think of a Walt Disney World celebration, I think of my friends.
Smiles on my kids' faces, the light in their eyes.
Their family tradition to come to Disney World.
To me, celebration is literally Walt Disney World.
I'm excited to see what they're gonna bring for the 50th that's coming up.
The characters, classic rides.
Bringing together people from all around the world.
50 years since Walt Disney World opened, we're still going with the ideal that Walt wanted people to be with family and to celebrate each other.
A celebration looks like, to me, sharing the memories that you'll have for a lifetime with the people that you love the most.
I came with my brother because there was no one else I'd rather go with.
It looks like a dream come true. Moment magical.
I feel excited. I'm gonna be a part of the celebration.
Just makes my heart soar.
The feeling, I don't even know how to put it into words.
Amamos Walt Disney World.
To me, it doesn't get any better than that.
It's the best celebration on earth.